Alright you guys, so my GoPro had died, so I had to pull out my camera. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the radio again if the first method doesn't work. First thing you want to do, you want to put your car in the accessory mode. Just hit it once. And that taser putting in work. Stop playing. 40,000 miles. But what you want to do is you want to hold the volume button and you want to hold the tune button right here. And you want to hold them at the same time. Kind of awkward because I have the camera in my hand, but you hold it for 10 seconds. And then after 10 seconds you release and it'll reset the entire radio. And look at that. I got the SRT screen. There we go. So that's what you should see once you reset the radio a second time. You know, it shouldn't be that weird screen that you guys seen before. After you change the theme that you want, you should see the drive modes, and that's how you know you did everything correct. And then you can just pull it up. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Alright you guys, in that first clip, as you guys can see, the performance pages and everything wasn't aligning properly when I tried to put it in track mode, but as you can see I fixed it. All you have to do to fix it is you have to use the taser. So you have to use this left arrow right here, and you have to use the cancel button, and you want to play around with the settings. I'm going to show you guys my settings, and you can just copy and paste and you should be good to go. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to go to the audio tab, and then you want to hit the left arrow, cancel, and then hit left arrow, cancel again, left arrow, cancel again, and you keep on hitting left arrow, cancel until you get to the performance part, and you hit this part. It's hard to do this with the camera, but you hit the what's it called, the cruise control button that's in the middle to select. And once you select it, it'll put you through all these settings. Like I said, just copy and paste these settings that are shown. Alright, so you guys want to turn on the car, and you guys want to do the same thing, because you got to turn on the live settings so that your car properly aligns with what you put. Alright, first you want to go all the way down to the audio like you did in the clip beforehand. You want to hit left arrow, cancel, hit left arrow, cancel again, hit left arrow, and then hit the cruise control button. And then you want to hit left arrow, cancel, and you want to make sure that all of these settings are matching with what you have. And then once you get to the live settings, you want to hit the left arrow and the cruise control. And then you want to hit left arrow, cancel, go through these settings as well. Make sure you have everything here. Now this right here, that you guys see this right here, that's so that every time I turn my car on, I can set it to custom, and however I want to do it. You know what I'm saying? If I want to start my car, say if every time I start my car I wanted it to be in sport mode, then I would just do that, and then I could turn my car off, turn it back on, and then my car will start in sport mode. Same thing goes for track mode. If you want to go to track mode and you want your car to start off in track mode, you just put your custom settings to track mode. I do it that way so that I can switch it up, because once you're in track you can't change anything because it's on track. Once you're in sport you can't change it to anything because it's on sport. So I like doing custom. So yeah, this is why I like custom, because custom is tough, because you can just start your car in whichever way you want. So then after that, you want to just go through the settings, make sure that everything matches, and then once you get to this part, you're pretty much done. Your radio should be all set up, and this is what you should have. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the next one, because I will be dropping again and again and again.
Shit like a movie, somebody come film. It's sauce by Louis, the young nigga trim. When they full of water, baby can swim. I keep a few hoes with me like a pimp.